What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to factory reset Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. To get started, open up your settings when clicking on this gear icon in your taskbar, or simply open up your start menu and search for settings. On this window, under System, click on Recovery. In the Recovery tab, simply select the Reset PC option. Once you click on the Reset PC option, you'll get two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. If you want to keep your files safe, then select the first option. If not, then proceed with the second option. If you choose the first option, you'll further get two options: Cloud Download and Local Reinstall. Read through the options carefully before performing any action and choose the one that suits you the best. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any question and see you in the next one.